Easily detail and document native Autodesk Inventor part and assembly models. Browse through Inventor files and begin creating new, linked AutoCAD mechanical drawings that are based on the most current 3D designs. Incorporate design revisions quickly and easily through associative links, which alerts users to changes and regenerates the 2D drawing. Visualize design intent by shading and rotating solid models, and review other attributes associated with the design. Information stored in Inventor models is automatically available to the Bill of Material database in AutoCAD Mechanical, so users can quickly add balloons, parts lists, and annotations. Model Documentations is a feature that enables you to generate associative 2D drawings from AutoCAD and Autodesk Inventor 3D models. You can also generate non-associative 2D drawings from several non-Autodesk 3D models. The basic building block of a model documentation 2D drawing is the drawing view. You can also generate section views and detail views from any existing drawing view.